Okay guys, I got a question from some of you asking me, can you still make money online with drop servicing? Well, short answer is yes, you can still make money with drop servicing. And actually a few years ago, that is exactly what I was doing. I was drop servicing and I was doing it successfully. This is my people per hour account, and when I go here on dashboard, you will see that I'm actually level 4. When I scroll here, you will see I am level 4. And when I go here on payments, you will see that I made $3,900 by drop servicing on people per hour. So what I was actually doing, I was drop servicing services from Fiverr to people per hour. But you can drop services from any website to any other freelance website. So this is exactly what I was doing. I actually went here on people per hour on all services. And then here I actually saw what are actually high in demand services that people are searching here on people per hour. And I know what you are thinking. High in demand services, that means that is a big competition. There is a huge, big and strong competition, but there is a way to beat that competition. Stay with me, I will show you how. Now here you can see there is different kind of services that you can offer. For example, convert existing low resolution logo image to vector AI. But here you can see it is only $10. I cannot offer that because I won't make any money. When I pay guy on Fiverr to do that, and when I pay Fiverr fee, and when I pay people per hour fee, I won't make any money. I need to offer something that costs at least $30. So when I go here, I can actually see this. I will convert PSD, JPEG, PDF, AI to responsive email template, $60. Now with this I can actually make money. So I will open this. And what I need to do now, I actually need to see, are there anybody on Fiverr who offer exactly the same service? So I will simply copy this, Ctrl C, and I will go here on Fiverr and I will look exactly the same service to see, okay, here I can see I will PSD, PDF, Figma, responsive HTML email template. Now here you can see 215 reviews, 15 euros. Now that is actually something where I can make money. I will convert PSD, PDF, XD, Figma, Sketch, AI to HTML email template, 32 reviews, 15 euros, 414 reviews, 5 euros, and so on and so on. I have services here on Fiverr that I can drop service on people per hour. So what I need to do, I need to open this service here to check it out, to see what this guy here is offering on Fiverr, and I need to compare that with the guy on people per hour. So I need to click here, read more, and here I can see you will get, and here I can see what I will actually get with this service on Fiverr. And I need to go back here on people per hour, and I need to see what this guy here is offering. And here I can see what this guy is offering. So can I actually charge $60 for this service here that this guy on Fiverr is offering? But here I can see this is a basic. When I go on standard, 28 euros, I can still make money. And here you can see all the things that I will get with premium, 66 euros, what I will get. Okay, I can actually make money with this. So what I need to do, I need to go back here on people per hour, and I need to create my hourly. Now I already added maximum number of hourlies or gigs on people per hour, so I cannot show you how to make hourly on people per hour, but it is really simple, really easy. But I told you that you can still make money even though this is a high in demand service. So what you can do is you can simply, let me just go on one of my hourlies. So when I go here on profile, and when I go here on one of my hourlies, for example, this one here, you will see that all my hourlies are currently paused because I wasn't active for a long time here on people per hour. But here you can see, feature it. You have an option on people per hour to feature your service here. Now that is a good option, and that is why I told you to actually offer something that is high in demand, because now you can feature it. And that means if lots of people is searching it, that means that lots of people will see your offer when you actually feature it. So this is how I did. This was my tactic. You have option to feature this on 3 days here, or as a top result on people per hour. And in first 3 days, you will see some traffic, you will see some views, but you probably won't make any sales. But when you renew it, you will start getting more views, you will start getting more traffic, and you will probably make just one sale. But that is enough. But that is enough to make some initial money. And when you remove that featured option for 3 days or people per hour for entire month, trust me guys, you will start getting much more views, much more traffic, and you will start making much more sales. And when you start making sales, if you get positive reviews, then people per hour will start sending you traffic by itself. So you won't have to pay anymore, and you will still get traffic, you will still make sales. Now, this is an easy way to make money online. Drop servicing is an easy way. Why? Because you literally need to copy and paste. When your client here on people per hour send you a message, you literally need to copy that message and just to send that same message, just to paste it here to this guy on Fiverr that you are actually buying service from him, okay? This guy here in this case. I just need to send exactly the same message to this guy. And when he replies, I need to copy his message and send it to my client here on people per hour. It is literally copy and paste. It is that easy and that simple. And yes, this method is still working. You can still make money online with drop servicing, okay? That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.